Welcome back to Latoya Designs and Decor. It has been a very long time, and I'm so excited to be back on camera to share what ideas I have, what DIYs I've created, and what organization and lifestyle things I have for you guys. But before I start rambling down this hill as to why I haven't been here, I am doing a DIY today. Something very simple, something that's probably not going to take more than 30 minutes, and it costs less than $25. I will say that I went to Target Bullseye section, which is something very favorite of mine. If you go on Instagram at Latoya Designs and Decor, you can follow me there. You can see I love Target Bullseye section, what they have next, and what I can do to implement in my home. My goal and motto is to shop smart. You can get everything that you need without spending a ton of money, guys. So that's what we're going to do today. But before I go any further, I want to thank those who have stuck by me and those who are new. Welcome. I would love to have you part of this channel. I do organization, home decor, furniture flips, DIYs, and also lifestyle, which I'll be starting to do very soon. So stick with me, guys, and let's get into this DIY. 3 bells that I'll be using. As you can see in the inside, there is a bell, and you have to, I'm going to have to either twist this out to get it out here. I'm going to have to twist it out to either get the bell out of this, and I'm going to hang the wall this way, hang it on the wall this way here. And I actually bought these here, which I purchased from Walmart. They were only $19, I believe. No, I'm lying. These were only $15. $15 from Walmart. You get a 5-pack, and as you can see, it changes colors, but I only need the white color for what I'm looking for. But if you want the color, you can also switch the colors here, and it comes with batteries as well. And I think this is actually perfect. It did cost more at Target, so if you're at Target, I think it's like $33. Amazon is like $18, but Walmart's the cheapest. So and it still does the same thing, and these are actually smaller, which I think will fit better in the inside of here as well. So we're going to see how this works out, and I hope that it works well. So yeah, let's get into it. I went to Walmart and I purchased these this 5-pack of the push remote lights. They come in, you can change the colors here, but the only thing I need is the white light here for this one, because that's all I need it for. But if you wanted to change the color, you could. This only cost me $15. Amazon, I believe, was like $18, and then if you go to Target, they have an Energizer one. It's like $33. But this is the cheapest. It was only $15, and of course the bells that I got from Target, which were $15 as well. So actually it cost me $30, to be honest. You know, if you do the math, I want to math right. I don't want to, you know, mislead y'all. So $30 completely for this project. But I don't need the bell, as I said before, so I'm going to have to either twist this out with either my hand. I don't think it'll be an issue. I'll probably have to go into it and see, or use a tool or something just to get this out. But I don't think it'll be too much of a problem. And screw this on the wall with some screws, some wood screws, some wall screws, and yeah, hopefully that it works. And I like this one because the lights are actually smaller than the ones I've seen, so I think it'll fit easier in the inside. They come with batteries, which is also good, and then like I said, you have the remote. So I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. So let's jump into this project. I got the first one out, and it took me a good maybe 7 to 10 minutes to get this out. I used some scissors. I probably could get this out a better way, don't know. But yeah, to stretch it so that it can like hook, because it's so long and it's so deep inside. I just had to be patient, and that's what I did to try to get this out, because even if I tried to glue this to the side, it wouldn't work. So you would definitely have to just be patient with yourself and with this. So yeah, I have 2 more to go. Okay, I got 2 bells done, and this is the light. This is how it comes on. That's the light, the blue, this one. So So the adhesive didn't stick, so I'm going to use a hot glue gun to kind of go around it. Oh, well, that didn't work at all. Oh, it's not sticking to anything. So I'm going to use the same back wall paint just to get some of those marks that I had to putty up there with the same paint, just so it can look as one color at the top. So that's what I'm about to do. So guys, these are the end results of the lights here, and it's daytime as you can see, and this is what it looks like in the day with the remote lights, and then I'll show you a glimpse of what it looks like at night. But I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. It was not as easy as it looked. I had to improvise with some things, but it all turned out, guys.